Hello and welcome on our session. I'm Instructor Eugene from RP, IPRC Kigali in the Department of Civil Engineering, Trade of Road Construction. Today we are going to perform a wooden bridge as you are seeing, and then I would like you to be welcomed on our session. So the learning outcome or what you will get after this session, it is to have a wooden bridge or pedestrian wooden bridge. Before starting, we need to know about the PPE or personal protective equipment that we have to use. As you see, I'm having a helmet which will be protecting my head. I have also the hand gloves to protect my hands. I have the jacket to protect cloth and the strong boot to protect my feet. In this video also you will see some tools, some materials that we will be using. Starting by the tools, here I have claw hammer. These are claw hammers. I have a tape measure. This is tape measure. We have also bleeding line. This is a bleeding line. We have a marker pen. We have pencil, we have a drill bit, we have countersink. This is countersink. We have nail punch. We have screw head driver. This is style or special. This is flat. We have also rubber mallet. We have 10 and saw. We have piling chisel, we have mortise chisel and the tri-square. We have F-clamp. This is called F-clamp. This is to hold. And as you see, it is in the form of F. This one why it is called F-clamp. We have also plug bit. It is called plug bit. Here we have straight edge. This straight edge will be used when we are marking long lines. We have extension cable for taking electricity. We have club hammer. We have also adjustable spanner. We have jigsaw machine. This is a jigsaw machine. We have also drilling machine, portable electric drilling machine. With it's a key chuck for opening. And then we are also having some materials. The material we will be using, first of all, here you see we have built this abutment. It is built in by using stones, sand, cement, and water, of course. We have also bolts. They are here, bolts. This is a bolt. It is M20 bolt here, M20, and it is heavy. It is a L 200 millimeters. We have angle irons that we'll use to fix beams. We have also timber for making the deck. We have also timber which we will use as beam. These are beam timber. Okay, these are the tools and equipment, sorry, tools and the materials, but we don't have to forget the rubber. This is rubber. This rubber will be used as a bearing. Bearing will be used also. It is a member of a bridge which is used to reduce loads, which will be applied on our structure. So as we are going to start building the bridge, first of all, a bridge is a structure which is built on the road to provide the pathway over an obstacle. So this obstacle may be a permanent watercourse or temporary watercourse. Permanent watercourse is like permanent river, and temporary, they are like this drainage system, swamp area where we are having water in the rain season only. So over them we have to pass the road, and then you have to put a bridge which will provide the access on these two sides. Okay, thank you. We may start. By starting, we need, as you see, we are having abutment. This one, it is abutment. Here also, there we have also an abutment. So what we will need at first, we need them to be at the same level so that the beam will not rest on the cement. Because when they are rest on the cement, it will make our angle iron to be reposed here on the ground, and then it will be attacked by the rust. So it is reason why, first of all, we need to provide the headstock. So this timber will be used as headstock. So before we have to measure, it's 180, and then this one is 200. So it means we have to center 10, 10. So here, put 10. Let's start on this side. So measure 10. Mm-hmm, 10. And then I mark by using a pencil. Mark. Mark. And then by using a tri-square, we put on our lines. Put our measurements on the other side. Okay. Now it's okay. And then we come here, we measure distance between two boards. We found it is 6, and then we measure here to know the measurements. So here it is 18. So I needed to have 6 at the middle. So if I need to have 6 at the middle, so it means here I take 18 over 6, and then it is 3. So it means I need to have 3 equal parts of 6. So here I measure 6. In 6 I put a mark. In 12 I put a mark, and this is 18. And then the same here. 6 and 12, other will remain in 18. And then I take my straight edge, I put on the mark, and then I draw a line. The line is only required where I will cut, and then I put on other dot. Here also, and then I draw thereafter here I draw. Okay, enough. And then the remaining, it is cutting. I will use a jigsaw, but I need to change blade because the point here have been removed. So to change, so you push here, and then you remove it. So here I have some other blades. These are blades for jigsaw. So I put them. I also push. When I reach here, I fix. Make sure that the teeth are looking forward. And then, now it's okay. I may connect to electricity. This is electric machine. Then I check. Okay. You can rock it, because if I'm using here, I have a switch. This is a switch. So what I can do, I can lock. This way. So you see it's continuous. If I do this, so what I have to do is rock. And then I cut.